Hey everybody, on today's episode of TTS Today, I'm going to continue with the product loading system. We're going to do product special imports and we're going to do product special manage. So basically we have the ability to add this special pricing based on customer that can be imported, and I can show you how to manage them, delete them, edit them, all within TTS. So all that on today's episode. Okay, so product special pricing will be on the product tab in the product special import. So first we're going to import the products, then I'll show you how to manage the products. So like most of our import tabs, we do have a template. You can click on the template to download, and I'll show you what data it's looking for. Very simple. TTS customer number can be gotten from the TTS customer list. Company name, address, city, state are not required. Notice they're not in red. Product code, which will be your catalog number. Price per special price. So that will be the special price. So that's going to be associated with this customer and product, and of course the vendor. So I click on browse for file, and I have a quick one set up. So let's go to special pricing import. Once you open it, it's automatically going to import, and it will give you a report. So let me show you the report that's generated. It will show you all the information here. So I had the customer number 548, which was for Steve's Drawers. I have product codes, my price pers each, and there's the special pricing. And notice the vendor as well as the upload status. So in this case, this one was not in the system, so it added it and then updated. So these, if I had to make changes, that was the status of updated, shows that there was a change versus adding it as new. So this is a new one, and these were updated. Even though it's this same data that I used previously, it will overwrite anything that's in there. And that is the import process. And notice that we have our process is complete status bar. So in the next section, we're going to talk about managing. Okay, so let's manage our product specials. So under the product tab, product special manage, and this is going to give us all the customers in our system. So that gives you a whole list, and this is going to give us the product file that we want to look at. In this case, it was Cablofill. I don't have to choose a customer because it'll give me a list of all of them. If I wanted to go down, it happened to be Steve's Drawer, I can search for that, but I know just clicking this, and this is going to give you an on-screen report that can be downloaded to Excel, and we can do a couple of things with this. So if I want to edit one, I would double click. Let's say. And save. And you'll notice it makes the change right on the screen instantly for you. If I needed to delete this one, I would click on that and click on delete selection. I can click on a bunch and delete them. I can click on this checkbox up at the top, and that will highlight all the line items, and I click on delete and it can delete all of them. Once I delete that, there is no more special pricing in the system. So that's a simple way of deleting your special prices. By the way, notice there is no date like on some of our other systems, so they do not expire until you either delete them or overwrite them with another import. One other thing on this screen is I can actually type in if I wanted to look up a specific product and get the price for that. And again, this is an on-screen lookup, but I'm going to show you how this actually works in a quote as well. So, but if I wanted to type in a product number and just choose that one. Careful when you copy and paste, by the way, and this happens a lot of the system. Notice it added all those spaces. So I would probably not get a hit on that. But let's do this one. Hit create report. And it shows you that particular one. So that's a quick way of getting a price. Someone calls up and you want to get a price for that particular customer. And again, if there were multiple customers, it would show them here, but it'll only have it loaded for this one customer. And there we go. And that's the same screen. I can double click on this and I can make changes to this if I needed to. All right, next section, I'm going to just show you how it shows up in a quote. So again, we have the ability to view on screen, but it'll also notify the operator if you use our pricing feature in quotes that it has a special price associated with it, as long as the criteria is met. Customer, a vendor, and this product. So that'll be in the next section. All right, so the last part is I want to show you what it looks like in a quote. So I actually have a quote set up. And let's go in and view how special prices show up. So I already created this quote. It's for the correct customer. It's for the correct vendor. And I added a couple of line items in here. Okay. And for pricing, we haven't done this yet in any videos, but to do automatic pricing in a quote, what we do is we choose the correct vendor from this drop down and I click on pricing. And immediately you'll notice down it pulls in all the line items and it highlights the ones that have special pricing in yellow. Okay, so I can actually drop this down and click special and it will update that. I can click special here, but also if you have 20 line items, I can just hit this auto price and it will automatically update the special pricing in the system. So, but again, these can be overridden. And again, this is going to be something we'll go over in more detail when we get to quotations, but I just wanted to show you that special pricing, once loaded, will actually show up in a quote with our pricing system built in. So that's what the yellow shows. So there you go. That is how to import special pricing, how to edit special pricing, and how they work in quotations. Again, until next time, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.